I bet you didn't know how much your diet impacts your longevity. We've all heard the saying, "You are what you eat." Turns out there's a whole lot of truth to that, especially when it comes to how long and how well we live. The foods we choose to consume play a pivotal role in determining our overall health and longevity. Our diets aren't just about fitting into our favorite genes. They're the blueprint for our cells, impacting everything from our energy levels to our risk of chronic diseases. The nutrients we ingest are the building blocks for our bodies, influencing our immune system, mental clarity, and even our mood. Think of your body as a high-performance car. Just like a luxury vehicle requires premium fuel to operate at its best, our bodies need high-quality nutrients to function optimally. You wouldn't fill it with cheap fuel and expect it to run smoothly for decades, would you? The same principle applies to our bodies. We need to provide them with the best possible nutrition to ensure they run efficiently and remain healthy over time. The same goes for our bodies. When we nourish ourselves with wholesome, nutrient-dense foods, we set the stage for a lifetime of vitality and well-being. We need the right fuel to function at our best and age gracefully. This means incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into our daily diets. The good news is that we have more control over our lifespans than we might think. By making informed choices about our diets, we can significantly influence our health outcomes and quality of life. By making smart choices about what we put on our plates, we can add not just years to our lives, but life to our years. Eating a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients can help us stay active, maintain a healthy weight, and reduce the risk of chronic illnesses. So buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of food and longevity. We'll explore how different foods impact our health, the benefits of various dietary patterns, and practical tips for making healthier choices every day. Get ready to discover how you can eat your way to a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. With the right knowledge and a commitment to better eating habits, you can transform your health and enjoy a more fulfilling, energetic life. The link between diet and longevity isn't some new age fad, it's backed by solid science. Our daily food choices have a profound impact on our overall health and lifespan. For decades, researchers have been studying populations around the world, noticing a fascinating trend. Those who live the longest, often exceeding 100 years, share surprisingly similar eating habits. These habits are not just about what they eat, but also how they eat and their overall lifestyle. Those who live the longest, often exceeding 100 years, share surprisingly similar eating habits. They consume a variety of nutrient-dense foods, maintain a balanced diet, and often eat in moderation. Take the residents of Okinawa, Japan, for instance. This region is renowned for its high number of centenarians, individuals who live to be over 100 years old. These centenarians are practically synonymous with longevity, and their diet, rich in vegetables, tofu, and seafood, is a major contributing factor. They also practice hara hachi bu, a cultural habit of eating until they are 80% full, which helps prevent overeating. Studies have shown that their traditional diet is linked to lower rates of heart disease, cancer, and other age-related illnesses. This diet is not only nutritious but also anti-inflammatory, which helps in reducing chronic diseases. But it's not just about what these long-lived populations eat, it's also about what they avoid. They tend to consume far less processed food, sugar, and saturated fat than the average Western diet. This avoidance of unhealthy foods is crucial in maintaining their health and longevity. They tend to consume far less processed food, sugar, and saturated fat than the average Western diet. Instead, they focus on whole, unprocessed foods that provide essential nutrients and promote overall well-being. The evidence is clear. Our diet plays a powerful role in determining how long and how well we live. By adopting the dietary habits of these long-lived populations, we can significantly improve our chances of living a longer, healthier life. By understanding this connection, we can make informed choices that set us on the path to a longer, healthier future. It's not just about adding years to our life, but adding life to our years. Making small, consistent changes in our diet can lead to significant improvements in our health and longevity. Think of certain nutrients as the superheroes of the food world, fighting off those pesky, age-related villains. Antioxidants, for example, are like the avengers of our cells, protecting them from damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals are like tiny troublemakers that contribute to aging and disease, and antioxidants are here to save the day. Then we have omega-3 fatty acids, the guardians of our hearts and brains. Found in fatty fish like salmon and walnuts, they've been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of heart disease. And let's not forget about vitamins, the essential workers of our bodies. From boosting our immune system to keeping our bones strong, vitamins are crucial for maintaining overall health and vitality as we age. By loading up on these nutritional powerhouses, we can give our bodies the tools they need to thrive for years to come. Now let's talk about calorie restriction and intermittent fasting, two dietary approaches that have been making waves in the longevity world. Don't worry, we're not talking about starvation diets here. Calorie restriction in a nutshell involves reducing your daily calorie intake without sacrificing essential nutrients. Studies have shown that this can lead to a longer lifespan in animals, and researchers are optimistic about its potential benefits for humans as well. Intermittent fasting, on the other hand, is more about you eat than you eat. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, which can range from a few hours to a whole day or more. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of these approaches, the early findings are promising. They appear to activate certain cellular processes that promote longevity and protect against age-related diseases. Remember, it's always best to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Move over meat and potatoes, there's a new sheriff in town, and it's wearing a leafy green cape. Plant-based diets are having a major moment, and for good reason. They're not just good for the planet, they're incredibly beneficial for our health and longevity. Studies have shown that people who eat predominantly plant-based diets tend to live longer and have lower rates of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. So what's the magic behind plant-based eating? For starters, plants are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which are essential for optimal health. They're also naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can contribute to heart disease. Plus, let's not forget the environmental benefits. Reducing our meat consumption is one of the most impactful things we can do to lessen our environmental footprint. Imagine a world where people live well into their 90s and beyond, not just surviving, but truly thriving. That's the reality in certain regions known as blue zones, where longevity isn't just a goal, it's a way of life. These pockets of long life are scattered across the globe, from the highlands of Sardinia, Italy, to the islands of Okinawa, Japan. While their cultures and environments differ, they share some striking similarities when it comes to their lifestyles. One of the most notable commonalities is their diet, which is primarily plant-based, rich in whole grains, legumes, and fresh produce. They also tend to prioritize social connection, stress management, and regular physical activity. The blue zones offer a fascinating glimpse into the power of lifestyle choices in promoting longevity. By adopting some of their time-tested habits, we can increase our chances of living longer, healthier lives. Ready to put all this knowledge into action? Let's dive into some practical tips that can help you transform your daily habits and make your plate a true fountain of youth. Here are some practical tips to transform your plate into a fountain of youth. Embrace the rainbow. Fill your plate with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily, focusing on a variety of colors for a wider range of nutrients. Each color represents different essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs. Go whole grain. Choose whole grain bread, pasta, and rice over refined grains for more fiber and nutrients. Whole grains help in maintaining a healthy digestive system and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Incorporate options like quinoa, barley, and oats into your meals to diversify your grain intake. Plant-based power. Make plant-based meals the star of your plate, incorporating beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh regularly. These foods are rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, and they can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Experiment with different recipes to keep your meals exciting and flavorful. Healthy fats are your friends. Include healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats are crucial for brain health, hormone production, and overall cellular function. Drizzle olive oil over your salads, add nuts and seeds to your snacks, and enjoy avocados in your meals. Limit the processed stuff. Cut back on processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive salt, which can contribute to inflammation and disease. Processed foods often contain unhealthy fats, added sugars, and preservatives that can harm your health over time. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your body's natural detoxification processes. Staying hydrated helps maintain your energy levels, supports digestion, and keeps your skin looking healthy. Carry a water bottle with you to remind yourself to drink regularly. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your body's natural detoxification processes. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily, and more if you're active or live in a hot climate, to support your body's natural detoxification processes. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these tips into your daily routine and gradually build from there. Consistency is key, and over time, these small changes will add up to significant improvements in your health and longevity. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these tips into your daily routine and gradually build from there. Remember, the journey to a healthier, longer life begins with the choices you make today. So take that first step and enjoy the benefits of a vibrant, nourishing diet. The journey to a long and healthy life isn't about deprivation or following restrictive diets. It's about making conscious choices that nourish our bodies and minds. It's about savoring the flavors of whole foods, embracing the power of plants, and finding joy in the act of eating well. Remember, every bite is an opportunity to invest in our health and longevity. By adopting a balanced and mindful approach to eating, we can unlock our body's full potential and live longer, healthier, and more fulfilling lives. So go ahead, indulge in that colorful salad, savor that juicy piece of fruit, and raise a glass to a future filled with vitality and good health. Your future self will thank you for it.